Hey guys, so today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips to start a successful YouTube channel. So the first tip is to create a username that is easy to search up on YouTube and isn't popular or taken. So what I mean by this is, alright, so we're at the page where you create a username. So basically, you can go ahead and brainstorm some usernames. So I'm gonna give a few examples in a minute, but make sure you just try and get a username that is not like available or is searched up on YouTube, because you want to be original. You want people to remember how to type it. So if you have like some weird characters, like something in like that is not available on the keyboard, it might be hard to search up. So make sure you consider getting usernames that are easily to search up and are original. So here are some examples. I'm gonna make a video on how to create some usernames. I mean, yeah, like that. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Alright, so once you came up with a username, like right now, like I'm typing the username, you will go ahead and just enter your email. So basically, if you want to have just one name, like no last name, then you just put a period at the last name so it won't include it, and just make your email like your username, and you can come up with any password. So that's basically what you want to do for usernames. So the next tip I'm going to give you is to create a theme. So there are two different types of things, what I mean by theme. So one is what your channel revolves on, and like the theme that blends in with your username. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull up the screen of what I mean by this, and yeah. So I'm going to be using my channel as an example for theme, because the channel I used a while ago, the channel that I just created doesn't really have a theme. So basically, the theme, like blending in with your username, I mean that it deals with your username, or it can just deal with the season. So for example, if your name was like strawberry something, it will probably, your theme might have to like have like a lot of strawberries inside of the channel. So maybe I might have a strawberry channel art or a strawberry profile picture. It's like what I have right now, which it doesn't always have to like deal with your username. It can also deal with the season, like I said. So I have on winter, and my thumbnail, not my thumbnail, my channel art and my profile picture and my intro all have winter in it. And my thumbnails, they don't really have to. It's not mandatory, but if you want to, you can have it. So yeah, that's basically what I mean by having theme blend in with your channel name. So yeah. So now we're gonna talk about what your channel revolves on. So my channel revolves mostly on Roblox, but your channel can revolve on anything. So it can be ASMR, it can be gaming videos, collaborations, actually no, don't do that, tutorials, what else? So you can do tutorials, GFX speed edits, mostly anything. Mine just really revolves on Roblox. So you can just make your channel anything you want, and it's your choice because that's your channel. So yeah, that's all that I have for theme. We're gonna move on to the next tip now. So this next tip is make a channel trailer to help new viewers learn the expectations of your channel. So I'm gonna just pull up my channel trailer, and it's gonna, okay, never mind. Alright, so as you can see, there is my channel trailer, And when I click on it, you will get to see like what is about it. So I just really put information about myself, what videos I upload, and stuff like that. So you can see as I scroll through, that's the things I upload. And yeah, so now if you go back, you can go to the home page and you can see that there's a video there. So I encourage you guys to actually put your channel trailer like in the beginning of your page, so that viewers will find it more easier to find your channel trailer, so they can learn more about you. And if you don't know how to do that, you can always look on YouTube on how to put your channel trailer in the beginning of your channel. So I don't really know if this tip is very mandatory, but in my opinion, I think it is. So the tip that I'm gonna share right now is create an upload schedule for your channel. So what I mean by upload schedule is to let your viewers know when you're gonna upload. So for example, I upload mostly Saturdays and Sundays because I have school. Some of you guys can upload daily, but for me, I just keep Saturday and Sunday. But it's your choice. You don't really have to like do the same days I am doing. But that's basically what I would do if you have school. The fifth tip I'm going to share with you guys is verifying your channel. So once you get the hang of making videos, you want to start coming up with thumbnails for an example. When you verify your channel, you get more features such as live streaming, making thumbnails, and etc. You can verify your channel by entering a phone number or email. Either works just as fine, and I hope you guys start thinking about it, because it will really help your channel by a bunch. So you might have already noticed that when you create your channel, Google will ask you for a phone number or email, which is actually optional. Most of you probably skip that option, but that's okay, because you can verify your channel by easily clicking on your profile picture, manage your Google account, and then security. So then you're gonna start seeing some options that will help you to enter your phone number or recovery email. So yeah, that's how you verify. This tip is optional, but if you are really into creating videos, then you can take this trick with you. The sixth tip I'm going to share with you guys is try and get a good editor so subscribers can receive high quality videos. I recently upgraded my editor for more features, and my editor that I'm currently using is Filmora X, and you will have to buy it in order to use it. But you can still use other editors because there are a lot of them that are really good to use, but they're mostly quality editors on mobile, and I usually edit on laptop, but you can try and just use some editors. Just mess around with all of them and see which one makes you more comfortable. We're now going to move on to the seventh tip. Don't self-promote too much to other channels. Try and earn subs through hard work. If you don't really know what this means, I will go ahead and show an example. This currently happens in most social media platforms, but I will use YouTube since this is what the video is really focusing. So, roll the clip. Okay, I went onto YouTube, I scrolled down to my old videos, and I was trying to find a person who was self-promoting, and I found one. This guy says, "Can you sub to me to this person?" So I actually blurred out the name because I do not want anyone spreading hate to anyone because we don't need to be hated. But they say, "Can you sub to me?" This is what I call self-promoting. They're asking for subs or followers for their channel. But this is not really what you should do. Most YouTubers don't use YouTube for money or fame. They use it because they love doing it. It has become a hobby for us since it's really fun to do. So if you are starting a channel, think about why you started it in the first place. You want to be known as that person who has been working hard and putting effort in your videos. Subscribers take time. Your effort will be noticed no matter what. Okay, I know this video is a bit long, but I really wanted to include all my tips, and I just really talk a little bit slow, so I'm very sorry if this was a bit long, but I will go ahead and link the timestamps so it will be easier for you guys to watch. But this will be the last and final tip. The 8th tip is never give up. Things take time. So like I said in the last tip, you won't earn subscribers just in one day. It will take time and effort for your work to be noticed. So don't give up. If you want to be as successful as your role model, then you have to work for it. Be original. Take time editing your videos. Always think that everything is possible. Believe to achieve. I'm counting on you, so don't quit. Don't give up. Keep going and do your thing. I hope you guys found these tips helpful. I might make a part 2 soon, so stay tuned. If you guys want to watch a similar video that has tips to earn subscribers, you can click on the link in the description. Sorry if I was stuttering a bit or messing up on my words. I am not used to doing voiceovers. Anyways, good luck on your channel. Bye guys, see you in the next one.